Welcome back to Planet Coaster, where we're building a 100 inverting roller coaster. In the last episode, we decided to shrink the loop slightly, which left us with two horrible S-bends. Not ideal. So let's start off this episode by rectifying that. And to rectify that, we're going to use our favourite tool in the game, the smooth coaster tool. So you can see there's still a little bit of a bend there just before and after the loop. Maybe a little bit further down the line, we'll really fix that and make sure that it's much smoother. But yeah, let's move on to adding our sixth inversion to this roller coaster. I've decided to freehand an inversion here, and you'll see how it looks at the end of this episode. Obviously, we'll go for a ride around the roller coaster with a POV. I don't really know what I would call this inversion, so if you have any clue what that inversion there would be called, then please let me know in the comments section down below. So the next thing for us to do will be to pop our roller coaster back onto test mode and have a quick look at the stats. So let's whiz that forward so the train can do a full circle of the coaster, and let's see what we've got. So there you go, number of inversions 6. Max vertical G-force 5.49. Now that's probably a little bit higher than we would really want to have on our roller coaster. Obviously, we're trying to make sure that our customers are having a smooth and pleasant journey. Obviously, we've ironed out those kinks before and after the loop a little bit. And yes, it's the new inversion that is spiking that up. So let's jump back into edit mode. Let's try and just make that a little bit smoother. Lengthen that inversion out a little bit. Hopefully that'll be a little bit more comfortable for our customers to ride. Typically on a roller coaster, we'd be looking for the G-force to stay kind of below 4 Gs, ideally. It can spike slightly above that on some coasters, but yeah, ideally for a comfortable ride, we'll keep that below 4 where possible. So all we need to do now is just connect that coaster back up and smooth the inversion as well. So let's just have a look. Might just be going a little quick through that inversion, but that looks much nicer. Over the little airtime hill, around the final little upwards helix, and then down into the brake run. So hopefully that has made the ride much more enjoyable for our customers. We shall see. So in the last episode we did add some eateries and drinkeries. I don't know if drinkeries is a word, and clearly we've made that very crowded. Everyone's trying to cross paths just over here, so you'll just need to be careful about where you're walking. Be courteous of each other. And on the subject of our guests, let's have a little look at our guests' thoughts. So there are no coasters to my tolerance, that's fine. All this litter around is making me uncomfortable. That litter is disgusting, and I wish this park had a toilet. Yeah, you'll be holding on for a while for the toilet. Let's see if we can sort out the litter. I know in the last episode we did add a janitor, and we did add a few bins as well, but there's no harm here. Adding a second janitor, that's half that workload they've got. Hopefully that would cheer our guests up a little bit on our way to making the best park in the world. Do love the fact that our park entry is free. They love Limitless 5, and they also love our great scenery. But at the bottom now, it doesn't say about toilets anymore. It now says they don't like that all of our food contains that thing. I don't know what that thing is, but maybe someone's onto the fact that we're serving horse as our burgers. Next episode, we'll add in some vegan options for our guests. But until then, guys, enjoy our 6 inverting roller coaster with this POV. If you have enjoyed this, please do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon for episode 7.